Unit 2. Lesson 2. Grammar. Experience marker.
过
In this video, we will introduce the meaning of the experience marker,
过
as well as its negative and question forms.
过
Is a particle placed after the verb and before the object in a sentence, in order to express the speaker's experience. For example,
他去过台湾
means he has been to Taiwan. The second example,
我去过日本
means I have been to Japan. If we want to express that someone doesn't have a certain experience, then we need to use the negative form, which is to insert the negation word
没
before the verb. For example,
他去过日本
means he has been to Japan. The negative form of this sentence is, he has not been to Japan.
他没去过日本
One more example,
我去过台南
means I have been to Tainan. The negative form of this sentence is, I have not been to Tainan.
我没去过台南
Next, when it comes to the question form of this structure, there is no difference from other yes-no questions. This means, we can simply add the question word
吗
at the end of a statement containing experience marker
过
to transform it into a question about someone's experience. Here is the example.
他去过日本
Means he has been to Japan. The question form of this statement is, has he ever been to Japan?
他去过日本吗
We just transform the statement into a question by adding
吗
at the end. One more example.
我去过台南
Means I have been to Tainan. The question form of this statement is, have you ever been to Tainan?
你去过台南吗
We just transform the statement into a question by adding
吗
at the end. Next, there are 3 practices for you. Please translate the following sentences or questions using experience marker.
过
Practice 1. He has been to China. The answer is,
他去过中国
Practice 2. Have you been to Taiwan? The answer is,
你去过台湾吗
Practice 3. I have never been to Taipei. The answer is,
我没去过台北
This is the end of the video. Next, it's your turn. Make a sentence using the experience marker
过
and write your question in the comment.